Just gotta finish up some decorations. Oof, oof, oh shoot. The camera's rolling. Guys,
Oh,
come on.
Oh,
Oh, look, cool balloon. Hey everybody. Yes, the tux is staying. I love it, okay? Oh, I'm just gotta... okay. Everybody, we got Tyrone, of course, the one and only. Hopefully a fan favorite, Agent Man, and who is still permanently scarred due to, his rage issues.
Rage.
We got his hat back. You guys saw. I look really fat in this shirt, though, but you know what? That's fine. This is the Monkey
Don't
Tribe.
say it about yourself. You're a perfect monkey.
Am I really? Okay, John is gone. He is preparing for the election, which is what we're setting up decorations for. Let me just, it'll probably be cool. But, yeah, so, Monkey Tribe, episode 7. Nope, episode 8. Back in time. Hey, Agent. Looks like the decoration's
hey,
almost
hey.
done.
yeah. Hey,
Oh,
you
hey,
need
guys.
anything?
Yeah, I actually need some tape and some more balloons. This is my last one.
Oh, alright. We
Uh,
got you.
Boop, boop.
Okay,
Hey.
I got the money.
Alright, let's go.
What's that? Come on.
Whoa. Yeah. What the? I've never seen this before. Is it? I mean, what happens if we... Agent! What? Agent? What? How do I... Whoa! Ah! Whoa! Ah!
Whoa. Wait, your clothes changed.
Hey, yours did too. What?
The heck?
Come on, what?
What was that?
I don't know.
These are from like a long time ago.
I know, look at the sail. What? This was exactly from like 5 years ago. But
This is so fun.
everything,
What's that noise?
I don't know. Everything looks the same.
Whee!
We gotta go back to the time machine. Wait. It's broken.
Okay.
Oh no. We gotta go fix it.
Something else?
You know, I heard that there was an ancient stone here that could fix that
Who's that?
weird machine, you know. Hey kid!
Who are you guys?
We're looking for a
Hey, Ron?
sorcerer's stone. Do you know anything about it?
Yeah, it's at the highest peak of the canyons.
Wait. Tyrone?
Who are you guys? I don't know you guys.
Oh yeah, it's 5 years. You'll know us in like 3 years. I think we meet eventually. Thanks, little Tyrone. Come on, we gotta get back.
Oh,
Okay.
Have
That's
fun.
the wrong way. That way leads to your death.
Wow. Which way do we go?
You gotta come this way.
Oh, okay. Thanks, Tyrone. Little Tyrone. This is very strange. Okay.
Come on, guys, keep up.
Agent? Oh, well.
you know I suck at climbing.
Yeah. Come on, Tyrone. I'll just get the stone.
Okay.
For an agent, he is not very good at what he does.
No.
Yes. Alright. Man, this is crazy. I mean, looking at you from like this long ago.
You can't jump on those two. Those will break.
Oh. I see the stone. How old are you, Tyrone?
I'm 10.
Man, so it really has been 5 years. Or 5 years back. I don't know, that machine was really weird.
Right. Now this is the hardest part. You gotta jump all the way over there.
Alright, you might want to stay here, Tyrone, since you're a kid-ish.
Oh no, I've done it plenty of times.
Oh, dang. He's really adventurous.
I'm mean, he's probably lived here his
Ah.
whole life.
He's so young, he's got so much energy. Us, on the other hand, we're old. I mean, only 5 years older, but like still.
My guy.
Alright, we're in.
Come on.
Shit. Wow.
There it is.
The stone.
This is a stone. Yeah.
Do you mind if we take it?
Stone.
It's really sacred. I don't know if you guys should take it. A lot of people come here to pray to it.
Well,
But
I see there's multiple. We'll repay you guys if we
Okay.
ever find a way to come back. But, yeah.
take this.
Thanks.
Yeah. You put it in your pocket. or
All
something.
right. Here,
Oh,
grab my
man.
hand.
Can I come with you guys? I want to see what the future.
Sure. Agent. Come on.
Yep.
I'm sure
Hey,
Agent's behind
Where's
us.
the machine at?
Here.
Stay away. Stay away.
Agent?
Oh my god.
Oh, your hat.
Hey,
You don't want to
agent.
know what I went through.
Bye,
Yeah.
guy.
It's my
Okay.
hat from the past. I remember.
Hey,
That's
another
exactly
hat.
where I found it. Yeah.
I found it on some skeleton, and then I just took it. And I didn't like it anymore, so I just dropped it off in the cave.
That's cool,
Yeah,
but
that's
I
where I
think we
originally
got
found
some
it.
stuff to take care of, little Tyrone.
Can I come with you guys, actually? I want to see the
Sure.
future.
Okay, come on. And up. Go, Tyrone.
Uh-oh.
Just jump. That's weird. Whoa. Whoa. Oof.
Oh.
Is everybody okay?
Whoa.
Back.
We need to make sure this is the right
Back.
place. Oh yeah, the launch
Yeah.
shell. This is it. We left off.
Whoa.
Tyrone.
Rocket ship.
Hey, why am I
Where is
wearing
he?
these clothes? Where's Tyrone?
I got my back.
I'm right here, guys.
No, the Tyrone
Yes.
now. The you
What?
haircut
I am
stylist.
I'm
Oh,
Yeah, but
Oh,
they're
no.
older in our universe.
Agent.
At least.
I
Oh.
took a quantum physics class in college, but I think we altered the timeline. Bringing him here took
We need to take him back.
the future Tyrone, or the present Tyrone is just gone. That's why we're wearing these
Hey,
clothes.
stay
We
here,
altered the
Tyrone.
timeline.
Come here.
Little Tyrone, come on, we gotta go. Without this,
Listen,
election
no,
day
stay
can't
there,
happen.
Stay there, stay there, stay there. We gotta talk in
Hey,
private.
Agent, we can't have this happening, man. We have to take him back.
You gotta have the original. You gotta
Yeah.
have original.
Come on. Tyrone,
Whoa. Oh, yeah?
we gotta take you back, man.
Why don't we stay here? It's fun.
I know, but the past has changed, and I'm sure your mother is worried sick. I don't think he knows.
Oh, yeah, my mom. Forgot about it. She's still napping.
Oh, well. Unfortunately,
Gotta
man,
go.
if you don't go back, then everything they see now is ruined. Don't worry, you'll understand
Okay,
someday.
well, so I'll meet you guys when I'm older.
Yeah, in fact, as soon as we come back from you going back, you'll be right there, and you might even remember this, but I don't know. Just come on, little Tyrone.
Okay, maybe.
If
Come
he
on,
doesn't,
Agent.
We'll tell him all about it.
Don't worry, we'll still be here. I mean, you'll meet us in like 2 years, or something like that in daycare. I don't know. Come on, buddy. Well, see you in 5 years.
Bye, guys.
Bye. I'm gonna miss that kid. That felt weird.
What's
Hey,
happening?
we have our clothes back.
Yeah.
Maybe things change. Come on. Launch. Tyrone, you're back.
Come back.
Oh,
What?
yeah.
What do you mean?
Weird stuff happened.
Those balloons and tape aren't coming.
So, how's the decorations?
Wait a minute. Wait. I remember being here, like, a long time ago.
Oh, that's funny.
What?
Well,
What
now
just
that that's
happened?
all over with, I mean, look at the place. It's decorated. It's ready
Oh,
for the
yeah.
election day. All you need to do is set up the podiums. It's perfect. Election day is coming, and that might be tomorrow.